Hello friends. Today I will share with you Top 5 high-performance bicycle rear hubs for MTB and road bikes. So let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
Novatech Hub D041SB D042SB MTB disc brake. This Novatech hub is designed for MTB and road bikes, supporting 28, 32, and 36-hole rims. It's compatible with 8 to 12-speed drivetrains and comes with a reliable disc brake design, ensuring consistent stopping power. The advantages of this bicycle hub are versatile for both MTB and road bike use, supports a wide range of speed setups, compatible with disc brakes for reliable stopping. The disadvantages of this bicycle hub are may require frequent maintenance.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
Hansons Pro 732/24 rear holes hub. This bike hub features 4 sealed bearings and 6 pawls with 120 clicks, offering fast engagement. Designed for 7 to 12 speed drivetrains, it's compatible with MTB setups and provides a loud, crisp sound during rotation. The advantages of this bicycle hub are quick, responsive engagement with 120 clicks, durable for bearing system for long-term use, ideal for MTB enthusiasts who prefer a loud hub. The disadvantages of this bicycle hub are loud noise may not be suitable for all riders, heavier than lighter models on the market.
At number 3.
Hansons Pro 7 bicycle hub 24-32 hole. This hub is designed for 7 to 12 speed mountain bikes with 24 or 32 hole configurations. It features a tower base for stability and durability, ensuring smooth performance in rough terrains. The advantages of this bicycle hub are available in both 24 and 32 hole options, durable build for tough conditions, consistent performance with multiple speed options. The disadvantages of this bicycle hub are limited to MTB use only, less versatile for varying axle standards.
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2.
Ark Mt009 NBK MTB rear hub. This mountain bike hub fits 28, 32, or 36 hole rims and supports 11 and 12 speed drivetrains. The hub is available with HG, MS, or XD free options, offering adaptability for different setups. It supports 135mm quick release or 142mm through axle frames. The advantages are versatile hub, compatible with various free bodies, multiple hole options for different rim sizes. The disadvantages are complex installation may require expert setup.
At number 1.
Hansons Pro 736H rear hub bearing. This rear hub offers 36 holes, high durability bearings, and a free hub design. It's suitable for mountain bikes with 7 to 12 speed configurations. The 6-pawl system ensures a noisy and fast engagement, perfect for off-road riding. The advantages of this bicycle hub are quick engagement with 6-pawl system, high compatibility for 7 to 12 speed, strong and durable 36-hole design. The disadvantages of this bicycle hub are may be too noisy for some riders, not the lightest option available.